Welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. These are walk-in interviews from Pfizer at Vizag location. And coming to the details of the walk-in, this is a walk-in on 7th September 2025, 9 a.m. onwards at Pfizer Healthcare India Private Limited of Visakhapatnam. And for Pfizer India. And coming to the venue of the interview is Signature Hotel, Gajuwaka, NH16 opposite BPCL Petrol Bunk, Sheela Nagar, Visakhapatnam. So they are looking for operators for manufacturing experience, 2 to 6 years of relevant experience in manufacturing injectables, operate production equipment. While filling, washing, capping, sealing, compounding, terminal sterilization, stopper process of injectable, and manufacturing supervisors, any M Pharmacy or MSc with 6 to 10 years of experience, B Pharma with 8 to 12 years of relevant experience. Manufacturing upstream or downstream injectables with strong people management experience. Manufacturing senior equipment specialist SES, BTech, MTech, mechanical with 6 to 10 years of relevant experience in pharma, chemicals, FMCG, and beverages, cosmetics actively contribute and play key role in supporting operational efficiency. So these are the opportunity details. Thank you for watching. Walk-in is at Gajuwaka, Visakhapatnam. Thank you for watching.